In this video, we will discuss the filter maintenance of your hot tub or swim spa, Zorbies, as well as the use of a Nature 2 mineral cartridge. It is a good habit to turn off the tub at the breaker when doing any filter maintenance. This will stop the flow of water, making removing filters easier and preventing any debris from inadvertently entering into the pumps. If you have a Play model Jacuzzi Hot Tub, it is equipped with a single 50 square foot filter. In order to gain access, pull the filter shield up to reveal the filter bay. You can unscrew the top cap by unthreading it counterclockwise and removing the filter by pulling upwards. If you have a 200 series Jacuzzi Hot Tub, it is equipped with a single 50 square foot filter and catch bag. In order to gain access to the filter, simply pull up on the skimmer shield to expose the filter bay. There is a catch bag that skims larger debris from the water and collects inside the bag. Remove debris as necessary when doing filter maintenance by removing the catch bag from the hooks mounted around the opening. To remove the filter, remove the top cap by unthreading it counterclockwise. The filter will now be able to be pulled up and out for cleaning or replacement. If you have a 300 series hot tub, a Power Pro swim spa, or a Power Active swim spa, it is equipped with two 60 square foot filters and a debris catch bag. To access the filters, simply lift up on the skimmer shield to expose the filter bay. There is a catch bag similar to the one we saw in the 200 series as seen here. Once more, to clean the debris from the catch bag, you can remove it from the hooks mounted around the skimmer opening. The filter closest to the front of your hot tub is the filter that the circulating pump will pull from and is called your primary filtration. The second filter is your secondary filtration and is utilized anytime the pumps are activated in your hot tub. To remove these two filters, simply turn them counterclockwise to release them from the filter fitting located below the filter. If you have a 400 series or JLX model, your tub is equipped with a 40 square foot pleated filter mounted on top of a gray canister housing that contains a smaller, disposable micron filter. This is your ProClarity filtration system and is part of your primary filtration. Again, found closest to the front of your hot tub. The 400 series and JLX models are also equipped with a 60 square foot filter, as seen in the 300 series for your secondary filtration. These are also removed by simply turning counterclockwise to release them from the filter fitting below. In order to remove the 40 square foot filter for cleaning and to access the micron filter below, simply pull the pin connecting the filter to the filter canister, then turn the filter slightly to release it from the canister below. As you can see, the micron filter sits inside the canister with the solid blue side facing up. Every 3 months you will need to dispose of this filter and replace it with a new one. This filter is unable to be cleaned and is bound too tightly with fibers in order to catch the smallest of particles and provide you with crystal clear water. When finished, put the filter back on the filter canister, resecure the pin, and thread back into the filter fitting. If you have a J13 swim spa, this model is also equipped with a 50 square foot filter. In order to gain access to the filter, turn the filter skimmer counterclockwise. Next, pull out the debris basket using the little tab on the inside. This will now give you access to the filter. Pull straight up and you're able to clean your filter. In order to replace, push it back down into the filter canister. Next, replace the debris basket and push down to secure. Finally, line up the tabs for the filter skimmer and turn clockwise to secure. You will need to rinse your filters on a monthly basis to remove any larger debris and superficial scum that might be in the filters. This can be done by simply spraying them off with a hose in fair weather or bringing them inside to rinse in a utility sink or bathtub in colder weather. Every 4 to 6 months, the pleated filters will require a deeper cleaning in a cartridge solution depending on how often the tub is used. Generally speaking, it is best to line this up with your drain and fill cycles. This is important because it breaks down oils, grease, and any lotions that might be built up on the filter. There are 3 ways you can clean your filter. Number 1, use Jacuzzi Instant Cartridge Cleaner. Once you have removed your filter or filters from the hot tub, spray the instant cartridge cleaner inside the fabric pleats and wait 5 to 10 minutes. Next, rinse off by moving up and down in short strokes from the top to bottom of the filter. For the best results, you can use the filter flosser attachment as seen in this video. Number 2, use Jacuzzi Cartridge Cleaner. It is recommended to have a backup filter or set of filters to rotate in and out, as you will be soaking these out of the hot tub for an extended period of time. First, you will remove the filter or filters from your hot tub. Next, fill a large bucket with 10 liters of water and then add 500 milliliters of cartridge cleaner to the bucket. Place the filter in the bucket and allow to soak for at least 12 hours. Next, thoroughly rinse the filter with clean water to remove the solution and remaining debris and oils from the filter. If you have 2 filters, you can repeat this process with the same solution you just used. And number 3, you can bring your filters into us at Jacuzzi Calgary and utilize our filter cleaning service. We will have your filters cleaned within 5 business days and call you when they are ready. Here is a tip when putting your dry or new filters back in the tub that will help you prevent a flow error, which can, as a result, stop your heater. Before threading the filter back into the filter bay, hold it under the water sideways in order to remove the air bubbles. You may also shake it side to side to help with this process. Once the bubbles stop coming out, you are good to replace it back into its fitting on the hot tub. Zorbies are a very effective tool that is used to reduce foaming and odors, as well as absorbing body oils, lotions, and other unwanted oils from the water to help keep it crystal clear. Simply remove the Zorbie from the packaging and place it into the water to skim these oils off at the top. Make sure that the Zorbie is not squeezed, or it will lose its function and release all of the collected oils back into the water. You will know when your Zorbie needs to be replaced because it will be heavy and sinking underneath the water's surface. Simply dispose of the Zorbie and replace it with a new one. Utilizing a Nature 2 mineral cartridge in a J300, 400, JLX, or Swim Spa can help to eliminate odors and reduce scum and organics that the filters cannot capture. It also helps to remove chloramines that cause irritation and odors in your water. In order to install your Nature 2 mineral cartridge, remove the top cap of the primary filtration filter. As a reminder, this is the filter located closest to the front of the hot tub where the control panel is located. Next, line up the tabs on the mineral cartridge with the tabs on the bottom of the filter cap as seen here. Now rotate the cartridge to lock it into place. It is generally recommended to change these cartridges out every 4 months.